Water, for example, is made out of two elements, oxygen and hydrogen, which has been combined during chemical reaction. We can use a word equation to describe a chemical reaction. In the case of water, this is the word equation for its formation. Hydrogen, oxygen can be combined to form water. Here is more example of compound and the elements that they are made up of. Common salt or sodium chloride is made up of sodium and chlorine. Sand, silicon dioxide made up of silicon and oxygen. Dry ice, solid carbon dioxide made out of carbon and oxygen. Polyethylene, type of plastic made out of carbon and hydrogen. Salt, calcium carbonate made out of calcium, carbon and oxygen. Sugar made out of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. What is a molecule of a compound? You have learned that molecules of elements consist of a fixed number of the same type of atoms chemically combined. If different types of atoms chemically combined, molecules of compounds are formed instead. A molecule of a compound consists of a fixed number of different types of atoms chemically combined. A carbon monoxide molecule is made up of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom. Nitrogen dioxide molecule is made up of two nitrogen atoms and one nitrogen atom and two oxygen atoms. Ammonia molecule is made up of one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms.